Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable taskbar grouping. So you turn it from this to this, okay? You want taskbars of the same item. For example, here I have two Google Chrome taskbars, okay, to be ungrouped so you can move them elsewhere, okay? So when they are grouped, for example, in your issue, they are moved all together, okay, in one place. So to ungroup them, you have to use a software where you download, okay? I have left the link in the description, okay? You open to this page and you download it from here. And once you download it, you have to run it, keep it running all the time right here in Windows. And you open it, and all you have to do is just click one button right here, okay? So in your case, it is grouped, okay? They are grouped right here. To ungroup them, just click on Don't Group, okay? And here you go. You can move each one by itself anywhere you like, okay? All right, that's it. That will fix your issue. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like it and subscribe to my channel and tune in for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.